Let's make the best chocolate chip cookies you've ever had in your life. Okay, while we brown our butter, we're going to take a clean bowl and my scale, and we're gonna mix all the dry ingredients together because it's gonna take a minute, so let's multitask. 380 grams of flour. I'm gonna try to do like a conversion as close as I can into cups, but we'll see what happens. Okay. And then I guess it's gonna be right at 2.5 cups of flour. 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, we're gonna give this a little mix. It'll start to cook down some of this water. I have my stand mixer out. I'm gonna get the sugar in here before I pour my butter in. 1 cup of brown sugar. So it's gonna be about 1 1/4 cups of brown sugar and 1 1/4 cup of white sugar. I'm cracking my eggs into a separate bowl instead of in my mixture because if I were to get a baby chicken there, I would lose my mind. Called for 3 large egg yolks. Once that's all mixed together, we're gonna add in our dry ingredients. I'm gonna scrape down the sides and make sure it's all getting all mixed together. Depending on how your dough looks, if it looks like a normal dough consistency, you can leave it as is. Mine is looking a little bit crumbly, so we're gonna add a little bit. If you have half and half, you can use half and half. I'm gonna use a little bit of coffee creamer. Maybe a little bit of milk. Oh, it's almost good. Look at that. It's looking better. I'm gonna add just a little bit of milk. Yeah, that's better. We're gonna add in our chocolate chips and then we're gonna put it in the refrigerator until it's chilled. We're gonna measure with our heart. I love a lot of chocolate chips. My husband does not, so we're gonna go with a happy medium. I just did a little taste of the cookie dough and I couldn't figure out why it tasted weird. I forgot to put the sourdough in it, so now it's way too sweet. I already put the chocolate chips in, so we're gonna try to stir a little bit in and hope I don't ruin them. My brain's dumb. I hope that this doesn't completely ruin them. I'm gonna try a little bit at a time. Update, it looks a lot better. It's not so dry. It's more like chewy texture, which is how it's supposed to be. Makes sense. The flavor's better too. It's not overly sweet anymore. Warm it into a bowl. Put it on here. Good thing, because it's hot. Here, put it on there. Just be careful not to burn.
Good. I'm gonna do it.
Good. Want one? That's 2. Can I have half?
Yeah.
Are these the best cookies ever?
Yeah.
Take a bite.